Hello, welcome to OneTech.in. Earlier, we have seen the intro of HTML. Now we are going to see elements and attributes in this video. So what is elements? Basically, elements contain pair of tag name and inside some details. Like suppose we are going to write heading H1. Then inside that, if we write some content and close that heading, that will be called as whole starting and closing tag will be known as element. Here I am writing heading, and inside that I have written some content, both pair of starting and closing tag with some content known as element. Now further we will show what is attribute. Actually attributes written in a starting tag. All element can have attributes. Suppose we have written anchor tag. Inside anchor tag we used to write href for linking purpose. Whole anchor tag will be known as element, but here only href tag. Inside href tag whatever we written, actually mainly attributes is not written as name and value. Here name is href and value is google.in. So google.in href will be used as attribute and whole anchor tag will be known as element. Suppose further we are going to write let's assume image tag. There source, we use source to define images. So there also source is name and the path or the image name is the value of that attribute. So we can call whole as a whole, image with value and all everything attributes will be known as element, and the tag will be known as attributes. There are a lot of attributes like width to show the width of image, height to show the height of image, and alt to show the alternative text. Let's assume some person with different abilities accessing the web. Then these alt tags are useful because they use a screen reader to read a screen. There will be alt will give them some reference to hard that alternative description. Suppose I have written HTML, inside that written language equal to English. It is described, it will show that our web page contain English language. Here language is also attribute. We will see many more attributes in further.